We're back with a look at the abortion rights debate in America 1 year after the Supreme Court overturned the landmark Roe versus Wade.
A new poll by NBC News has found that more than 60% of voters disapprove of the court's decision to reverse the ruling. NBC News senior political editor Mark Murray joins us now for more on this. So, Mark, walk us through this headline poll. What are we learning when it comes to specific groups and demographics?
Yeah, overall, 61% of voters say that they disapprove of the Supreme Court's overturning of Roe versus Wade versus 36% who approve. And these numbers are really consistent with our past polling. Back in August, it was 58% disapprove. And then in September of 2022, it was at 61%. So remarkable consistency there. And then when you look at actually individual groups, our poll shows that nearly 8 in 10 women ages 18 to 49 say that they disapprove of the Supreme Court overturning Roe v. Wade. Among suburban women, it's 66%. Among independent voters, it's 60%. And even a third of Republicans say that they disapprove of the Supreme Court's decision to overturn Roe.
So just in the past year, we've already seen several states pass restrictions on abortion. So NBC News asked people about the ease of abortion access where they live. What did the survey show there?
Yeah, Joe, by a more than 2-to-1 margin, you end up having more voters say that abortion has been made too difficult rather than too easy, versus just 13% who believe the nation has struck the right balance. And then when we ask people overall in their own states, we had a plurality of 43% who ended up saying that that their state has struck the right balance. But there was a really interesting geographical divide there where majorities in the Northeast and the West say that their states have struck the right balance, but that was a much smaller share in the South and the Midwest.
So, Mark, what do these results tell us about the importance of abortion rights as an issue for voters? And do you think it'll be a dominant factor in next year's election?
Yeah, when it comes to politics, our poll finds a really big intensity gap on this issue. 87% of Democratic voters say that they strongly disapprove of the Supreme Court decision to overturn Roe. But among Republicans, 52% they say they strongly approve. That's a 35-point gap on intensity that I think we saw play out in the 2022 midterms, and we might be able to see play out in the 2024 election a year from now.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.